second round, Mr. Chairman. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you very much, Congressman Pagdilaw. Yes, Secretary
Mr. Chairman, I just received the information. I just want to correct for the record. No, the House of Representatives, from voluntary donations from all of the members and the staff of the House of Representatives, donated a total of 5.3 million pesos. 100,000 for the legal heirs of the 44 heroes, 40,000 for the 15 wounded, and 20,000 each for the 15 survivors who were part of the operation but did not suffer any wounds or casualties. So I just got an updated information and want to correct it for the record that the House of Representatives donated this amount, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary Man. Yes, we are now on the second round. Kanina si Congressman Pagdilaw yung the last person to ask questions sa first round. Okay. First round. Okay. First round siya.
Yeah. Pero,
No.
na-late.
Hearing suspend.
Ang hearing na ginagawa sa mababang kapuluan. Balikan natin si John Ibanez. John?
Yes, bali inaalam mo na nila kung sino yung mga nakahanay na susunod na magtatanong sa hanay ng mga kongresista dito sa mga resource person na nandito ngayon sa mababang kapulungan. Marami kasing mga nagpalista na hindi hindi malamang dahilan, kaya inaalam ngayon ng chairman ng joint committee kung sino sa kanilang mga kabaro ang susunod na magbibigay ng pahayag. Ilan lamang sa mga highlight na nangyari simula kanina ay yung ilang ipinunto ni Congressman Tupay Loong kung yun bang kawalan ng koordinasyon, kooperasyon at collaboration sa pagitan ng PNP at AFP ang nagpikidaan o ang naging dahilan para magbuwis ng buhay ang maraming mga pulis kabilang mga rito, yung mga miyembro ng SAF 44. Tingnan lang natin. Inaalam ko kung...
Oo. Naku, John, hindi naman sinagot nila General Espina at saka ni Secretary Mar Rojas kung gusto nilang mag-resign. Ba't hindi pinasagot? In-intercept agad?
Oo, hindi na tuloy. Yun nga inaabangan namin kanina. Diba? Kaya nung nagsalita siya tungkol kay Secmar, hinintay namin kung mag-affirmative eh. Wala, hindi pinatulan.
Kasi in-intercept agad ni chairman eh. Next speaker ka agad ang sabi.
Yun sana ang pinaka-highlight kung nagkataong sinagot niya na I accept eh. Siguraduhan tamblingan lahat ng tao rito.
Of course, big news yun.
Correct. Balikan lang natin kasi mukhang may mga nagtatanong na ng congressman.
Okay.
Pertaining the casualties of the SAP 44 was caused by the ceasefire. I've been in the place for three times in Mamasapano. We had conducted a site survey, and I believe the situation there is basically the place is like a fire sack. In military terms, it is a fire sack is a very ideal kill zone, meaning. The gravity of the casualty is because of the wrong terrain that they have occupied, not on the ceasefire, not on the fire support that we said that really aggravates the situation. I've been in battles for almost 6 years in Sulu, Basilan, and also in areas in Mindanao. And per experience, if the engagement on that kind of terrain, 5:30 up to 11 o'clock, most probably halos decimated na po lahat yon kung ganun po ang terrain. And I believe it is wrongly stated na ang nag-cause ng massive casualties is the fire support and the the CCCH is, I think, it's the wrong presumption, sir.
Thank you, General Galvez. We have to proceed with the next round and the next speaker. And but before I will recognize the next interpellator, may I remind the members of these honorable committees that the time now is 3:20, and the plan was for us to stay until 4:30, unless otherwise there are some suggestions from the members. Thank you. Yes, Honorable Robregat.
Yeah, considering that, you know, we have been assigned 2 days, probably a third day on Friday, and considering that, you know, there are many resource persons that are here, I would really propose that we extend the hours maybe up to 7 or 8 o'clock. So at least to make do, you know, this is a very, very important committee hearing, and we should allow all the members all the time, like I said, for a second round or a third round, if need be. We are here to really try to come up with the truth, and more or less, we don't have any plenary. Normally, during session, we have to adjourn the meeting because of plenary. We don't have plenary today. We are on recess, and so, Mr. Chair, I would appeal that let us work overtime and see this through. I know there's still tomorrow, but as we say, why leave things for tomorrow what you can do today?
May I hear any comments from
Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Mr.
the
Chair.
Congressman Barisaga is recognized.
Well, actually, Mr. Chairman, I do not have any objection insofar as the motion of Congressman Lobregat is concerned. Unfortunately, the media is around, and according to them, they have not even provided lunch. How much more if they would be required to attend without any dinner? Eh, tapos naman na ang penitensya, tapos na Holy Week. At least we have to be reasonable. Ngayon, pwede natin ituloy bukas as long as the appropriate logistics and ammunitions are being provided to everybody in the form of food, drinks, coffee, etc.
Minute suspension, please.
Nasuspend na naman.
DZMM Special Coverage.
Ayan, nasuspend. Babalikan ba natin si John?
Yes.
Babalikan daw, sabi ni Neil. John,
John.
nasuspend. Di pala kayo pinag-lunch.
Hindi, bigyan niyo lang ako ng pagkakataon magpaliwanag. Meron naman. Kaya lang ang problema. Itong gusto kasi ni Congressman Lobregat, kung mag-extend ng hanggang mamayang gabi. Oo, ang problema dito, hindi lang naman kasi siya ang apektado dahil nung nakita nga nilang congressman, malamang na isang kalang na lamang kami rito dahil nakita nila nung magkaroon ng ganong motion, karamihan ng media sumimahot. Kasi napakahaba nun.
Oo naman, teka lang sandali. Pag ba nag-hearing sa Senado, meron merienda ang media?
Actually meron naman, in fairness, sinabi ko lang, meron at kasama ang media. Biniro lang kami nitong si Congressman Elpidio Barsaga. Nagamit lang kami para meron siyang bala. Kasi every time na naglalakad siya rito, nagsusupply ng pagkain sa buong mga guests at saka sa mga mambabatas. Nagtatanong siya, okay, kamusta kayo? Okay naman po kami. Yung iba nga nagbibiro, sir, wala, gano'n. Sabi kinarinig ni Kong. Kaya nung pag-upo niya, nung sinasabing may motion to extend up to tonight, yung hearing na ito, nagamit kami. Sabi niya, kawawa naman ang mga media na hindi pa nabibigyan ng lunch. Tapos mag-extend pa tayo ng mamaya.
Alang-alang sa inyo.
Ano naman ito mga ito?
Pero hindi pinag-uusapan ano kayang outcome ng yung break time. Pinag-usapan yata nila off air, no?
Ang pinag-usapan kanina yung kanina kasi pinag-iitan itong si Nateña.
Hindi, John, yung ngayon, di ba yung ngayong suspension, pag-uusapan kung mag-extend or hindi?
pinakikinggan ko lang kung magkakaroon
ano
sila ng
sinasabi
desisyon.
niyo?
Bigyan din natin sila ng pagkakataon.
Sige,
magtrabaho
balikan muna
sa
natin sa
Sige,
kanila.
sige.
opisina. Anyway ho, tapos na tayo sa first round. Bukas naman, pwede naman tayong mas maaga. So, Mr. Chair, I move to suspend our investigation until tomorrow
just
morning.
a minute.
Now, if I may, there is a prior agreement between the chair and the movement of the motion to
Objection.
to continue with the.
Yeah.
Mr. Chair, we're willing to
Can we agree on 5:30? 5:30. That was the agreement between me and Congressman Robregat. So if other members would agree with that.
Okay, agree.
Okay, proceed.
Let's resume.
Mr. Chair,
The
proceed.
next. Well,
I will agree. But let us put things in the proper perspective. The Senate conducted 10 hearings, 5 executive hearings, and 5 public hearings. And we are here only on our second day. So that is why I'm saying, if we cannot have 10 hearings, let us have the marathon hearings. Anyway, I will agree to 5:30, but tomorrow, that is another question, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
okay, can we proceed now with the agreement between the chair to proceed and end the committee hearing on 5:30?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
I
let
second.
me recognize the
5:30.
next interpolator, Representative Asedillo, the next to ask question. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, samantala muna tayong bibitaw sa Kongreso. So napagkasunduan na hanggang 5:30 po magtatagal ang hearing. Pwede kami umuwi. Oras! Alas 3:27. Oras sa sa inyo ng
Sa Surf Fabric Conditioner, nananatiling haba-habango ang iyong mga damit up to 14 days. Surf Fabric Conditioner para sa haba-habango mga damit. 5 pesos lang.
Gising mo. Wala kami kwarta para pambili ng gamot eh.
Ikaw kasi hindi ba tinanggap yung boxing doon sa plaza? 100 piso doon yun. Kung mananalo.
Sinabi ko naman sa'yo ayoko ng boxing. Gusto ko magpare ka. Sabi ko ayoko ng ganyan eh. Wala sakit yan, hindi yan. Nanalo ako. Good.
Hindi ho yung pataas sa inyo, but below you, under you, or those below you, meron po ba kayong text or SMS